In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to a Google Ads account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite someone to your account with the right permissions and what to expect after you send the invitation. First, open your Google Ads account. Head to ads.google.com and sign in, then make sure you're in the exact account you want to share. If you manage more than one account, double-check the account name and ID so you don't grant access to the wrong one. Next, click on Admin. Depending on your interface layout, you'll find Admin either in the left-hand navigation or under a Tools or Settings menu. Once you're in Admin, select Access and Security. This is the area where you control who can view or manage the account. Now, click the plus icon to add a new user. A form will appear where you can enter the person's email address. Type the email carefully. Access is tied to this address, so any typo will prevent the right person from receiving the invitation. Make sure it's the same email they use for their Google account. You'll see an option for access expiration, sometimes labeled Access Expired or Access Expiration. Use this to set how long their access should last. If you want it to be temporary, say for an agency audit, choose a date when their access should automatically end. If you want ongoing access, select No Expiration or leave it unset, depending on what your interface allows. Next, choose the account access level. This controls what the person can do. Admin typically grants full control, including managing users. Standard access allows managing campaigns and settings without full user administration. Read only lets someone view everything without making changes. Email only is limited to receiving alerts and notifications. Pick the level that fits their role and your comfort with what they can change. When everything looks right, the email, the expiration setting, and the access level, click. Send invitation. The person you invited will receive an email from Google Ads. They must accept the invitation before they can access your account. If they say they didn't get it, ask them to check spam or promotions folders. Until they accept, you'll see their status as pending in the Access and Security page. That's it. You've successfully sent access to your Google Ads account. Remember, you can return to Access and Security anytime to review who has access, adjust levels, or remove access if needs change.